So here we found an existing off-grid system. It's a very DIY system, and there's a lot of dangers here which are just absolutely crazy that people would do this and put their families in these situations. When we look at the side here where you've got the output of the inverters, there's absolutely no circuit protection, and the wiring that's been used is all sorts. There's nothing that would even go near complying. On the solar side of things, there's some crazy wiring going on in here with a wind generator in the mix as well. You can see up here. And one of the really poor things about it is the design of this with the batteries. So if you've got more than 2 of these batteries in parallel, you're going to get a really uneven charge voltage and current across the batteries, particularly when you've got both off-take connections off the same battery at the end of the row. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, we've seen some good ones, and this is way up there. So this is actually in a room inside the house as well. So these batteries, you can see from the acid and stuff on there, they give off quite a lot of gas, and so that smell goes through the house. It's really not a good system at all. And the limitations of it as well, we're looking at 1,000 watts plus 2,000 watts. So they've got one just dedicated for the fridge, and some that are for the lights and the couple of power points that they have here. But we'll just quickly slip outside. What we've been able to do here is a system upgrade. We're up at the shed. You can see up on the roof there's some solar panels going on either side of that shed. And if we come down here, we've run the power to the shed back to a board here, which is connected to our off-grid system. So this is our 5,000 watt continuous rated SP Pro multi-mode inverter, which can also peak up to 10,000 watts of output for a short time. So much more capacity in the system. Connected to this Power Plus lithium battery cabinet, which currently has 4 batteries in a cabinet that can hold up to 8, so there's room for expansion later. And also, once we finish the internet connection, we'll be connected to Select Live, which is a Selectronic product that basically tells us everything about what's happening with the off-grid system over an internet connection, which is fantastic. And to finish it off, all new circuit protection for the house once that's all finished and wired up. All RCD protected, so the family will be safe. And also, up on the other side of the shed, there is a generator connected into the system. So it's been our privilege to be able to upgrade this system and see this family actually get some decent, reliable power happening in their home in a really, really safe way.